We are in our bedroom by the closet where the plumbing stuff unfortunately is. Me and Ashley, we worked really hard to get this totally legit and like clean and perfect and got rid of all the rot. And it's like super late at night. It's like past 12 a.m. I was laying in bed and I smelt something off. And I'm thinking, it smells musty or something in here. It just didn't smell right. So I come over here to the closet and I open up the water and our overflow pan was full and it was dripping over the edge. And I'm like panicking, like what is going on? So we hurry up and we pulled our shop vac in here and we sucked up all the water and we're looking at it saying, where is this water coming from? The water softener is doing fine. Everything's doing fine.
Yeah.
We are like, we just finished the house. We just finished it.
Yeah.
And we were so excited
like
to be
today.
done and everything was like so good. And now we have water problems. And let me show you what we just found.
So we noticed it dripping underneath here. So we're like, okay, where's that coming from? And then I noticed right here, this water here.
This is the switch for the well pump. This stem right here.
There's water spraying out.
It's hard to see, but it is literally just spraying out. Yeah, just clean out of it a crack in it.
And we just put this in like 2 months ago. Brand new.
And we didn't damage it. It's totally smooth. There's not even gouge marks from like a pipe wrench or anything. And keep in mind, it's been sitting here dry since we put it in.
Mm-hmm.
And all of a sudden, it's springing a leak. I've never seen that before on a solid brass pipe. How in the world? It didn't freeze. It's in the middle of summer.
Yeah.
It's been totally normal. Everything's...
It must be a manufacturer defect.
And it's spraying in here, on our paneling, on our floor, getting under, you know, it was overflowing on the edge. I know the pan needs a drain on it, but you can't predict that kind of stuff on a brand new setup.
Yeah. So there it is.
What in the world? So we're just trying to...
So we turn the breaker off.
We have a rag on it just to keep the spray contained. Yeah, the well pump is off right now. So once the pressure releases, it'll stop. Look at that.
Wow.
Tomorrow we're going to have to run to the store, pick up a new pipe, and put this back together so that we can get our water turned back on. So that's the story of the night. We'll see what happens. Well, it's morning time and I'm taking this apart. I'm taking the wires off. I got to unscrew that. I'm just going to take the pipe out and look at it, and then we're going to go to the store. Hopefully we'll get this back on very soon. Let's take a look at this. There's the crack. There it is. You can kind of see that split in it. What would cause that? I have no idea. We got everything we need to fix the water problem and more. You know us, if we're gonna do a job, we're gonna try to do it right. So we went ahead and picked up everything. We got a new pressure switch even, because the other one's getting a little worn out. And if we're taking the time to replace this stuff again, you might as well make it last. We're also gonna be hooking up a drain on that pan, something that we should have done to begin with, and you're gonna see that soon. So we're on our way home.
And we got a new one of these.
Yep, everything we need. It's gonna be perfect. I don't know how well this is gonna pick up, but we wanted to show you guys like the highway noise that we're always talking about, the noise that drives us crazy. We're on blacktop right now, a regular paved highway, and it's pretty quiet. You don't really hear this from your property. Pretty soon we're gonna be crossing over onto the concrete highway, and you're gonna hear the tining, and then you guys can see the difference, at least inside the vehicle. So I don't know how well this is picking up, but the road is just so much louder, and this sound carries so far off the highway. And this is what we hear. A lot of people are confused about what noise we're hearing, but it's this tire whine. This is the new pressure switch. New standpipe coming up, new valve because we didn't like the old one. And now I'm just getting it wired back up. It is done and it all looks good. So, yeah. New switch, new pipe. I'm trying steel pipe, galvanized steel this time because the brass one split, so we're trying something new. And we're going to turn the water on and make sure there's no leaks, hopefully not.
I don't see any leaks yet.
So here it is, I just glued these together. It's just a street elbow going into this fitting, I don't know what that's called. I'm going to be drilling a hole straight into the side of this pan that we have in here, it's just plastic. And I'm going to line it up so there's a hole there, and there's a hole straight under it. We're going to have a pipe going down. That way, if this ever has any problems and leaks again, and this pan fills up, it's not going in the house, it's going straight outside. And I have these pieces. I have a rubber O-ring thing I'm going to use to seal it with this nut that goes on here. Just like that on the pan. Should seal it up nice. I had to get those off an electrical fitting because I couldn't find any plumbing ones, but it'll work. So that's looking pretty good. It got a rubber gasket in there. And now we have an overflow. But now I got to put a pipe going down out the bottom. Let me see about how much length I'm going to need. What, like just down, right?
Yeah.
I already primed the other thing. I'm going to have to glue this and shove it kind of blindly up through the hole and get it to sit in. Ah. I might be able to do this.
Getting a feel for it.
Yeah. Look at these things. Look at all these spiders under here. I'm covered in them.
Look at this web system.
Look it up here.
Yeah.
I'm laying in this stuff. This is my mouth. Alright. Let's
Ew.
glue it and get going out of here, right?
Yeah.
Let me just get it. Get ready for this. We're gonna work fast and efficiently. Keeping in mind that this is a drain, it's not an everyday use thing, so
Yeah.
it doesn't have to be perfect. Well, I think I got it in. Let me hold it just for a couple seconds.
Got like spider spider nests hanging all over you.
Get off of me.
Ew, they're everywhere.
I think it's in.
Good.
Think it's in, I hope it's in. That's better.
There we go.
We got the overflow valve on and down outside. We got a new valve here. We got the new pipe, the new switch. No leaks yet. It's looking awesome. We're going to keep an eye on it, but at least now it can't overflow into our house. We should have done this like way sooner. I guess our work is never done. Last night I was like super tired and I just didn't want to deal with that plumbing, but it feels so good to get out of the way. I don't know what happened with that pipe. I've never seen a pipe just split randomly. But it is what it is. While we're talking about water, which it feels good to have our water running again, I wanted to show you guys something that we found today while we're out. This is the toothpaste that we usually use. We all brush with kids' toothpaste because we love it and it tastes like watermelon. And it's all natural and anybody can swallow it and it doesn't matter. We always use fluoride free. We do not like fluoride, so we just we try to avoid it as much as possible. And we like xylitol based toothpaste. So we're not trying to be like promoting any product over another. This is just what we use and it works really good for us and we enjoy it. Today while we were out, we stopped at the store on the way home because we had to pick up something. We found a brand new one. Check this out. It is fluoride free whitening toothpaste. We don't care so much about whitening, but it's activated charcoal with fresh mint. Ashley's been wanting a mint toothpaste. So we wanted to try this, and this is our first time using this. It is black toothpaste. Isn't that weird? So we're going to try this tonight and see how it goes. Time for bed. Me and Belle are ready to brush our teeth and we're going to try the new black toothpaste. What do you think?
I've never tried out black toothpaste before.
Let's see what it's like. Look at this.
Wait, it's not focusing.
Guys.
It just looks like a big black slug.
Alright, you want some? Here, you better put yours on. Are you making a mess? You got enough on there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're ready. Bill, what do you think? So there it is, our black toothpaste. It was actually pretty good. It made a little bit of a mess, and they say on the package to wash the sink when you're done. It's pretty good though. You wouldn't think of a whitening toothpaste being black, but we'll try something new, right? In case you guys are wondering why we choose fluoride free, I know that we'll probably get some questions about it. It just doesn't fit into our health choices. So we just choose to avoid it, and we're okay with that. So far, so good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the watermelon, or do you like the new one?
The new one.
You do? Cool.
I've never had black toothpaste before.
Mm-hmm. That's all we have for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, take care.
Bye.
Wow. Ew.
Is this scary?
Mm-hmm. Ew.
I didn't know you were using black tar for toothpaste.
It gets worse.
I know.